Tutorial 1. Audio Description.
In these tutorials, you will learn the basic rules for creating good audio descriptions. After you complete these lessons, you can start working with Scribit right away. Let's start at the beginning. A video is a story that consists of images as well as sounds. Both are equally important. If you can't see the image, however, or if you can't see it properly, you will miss half of the story. Have a look at this, for example. Or this. You are lacking a lot of information right now. Audio description takes advantage of the gaps between dialogue to describe to people who are blind or vision impaired what is visible on the screen. This additional information makes it possible to follow the full story.
A boy is throwing bright-colored marbles down the stairs. A woman with a big laundry basket in her arms steps on the marbles at the top of the stairs and slips.
Worldwide, there are 253 million people with a visual impairment. Visual impairment can take many forms, such as tunnel vision, hypersensitivity to light, or spots, or a mix of all of them. Each visually impaired person sees things his or her own way. But that is not the only difference between them. Some people are born blind. Others have lost their eyesight because of a disease or an accident. In short, people who are having trouble seeing come in all shapes and sizes. Some are young and some are old. A good audio description must be easy to understand and suited to the needs of all those different people. I would like to see. It is up to the audio describer to describe everything people would like to see. You may think that someone who is blind has no use for a film about flying airplanes or the latest model of a car. But we still describe them. He or she may simply be very interested in the subject. Or a blind father may have a daughter who wishes to become a pilot. Or a neighbor has just bought a new car. Did you know that audio description is even often used by people who are not visually impaired, but who enjoy listening to the additional explanation? People who simply like to listen to videos while they are exercising or driving a car. Your description of what is visible on the screen brings enjoyment to a lot of people.